guys, my name is LyricRochester. Welcome to another video. For this month of September, I'm aiming to do a video every other day, and it's helping because now I have to find content for, I don't know, 15 days, 17, 8.5, I don't know, baby. Yeah, so for this video, I'm going to be going over my favorites makeup products at the moment. I'm going to do skincare in another video, but for now it's going to be my favorite makeup products of the moment. So the very first thing that I want to talk about is my primer and foundation. First thing, the primer. So this is the mattifying primer from Sasha Cosmetics. Now I'm not wearing a primer today, neither am I wearing my oil, which I'll show you guys later on. I'm just wearing the foundation only. Now I am telling you, with the foundation, to me, I think I look a little bit more dewy than I would want to look, you know. But and that's because I'm not wearing a primer at all. Now I do find that whenever I wear the primer, the mattifying primer from Sasha Cosmetics, my makeup, when I just finish it, it looks nice and matte, and it stays matte for, you know, a good little hour or so. Now I'm not gonna make no big claims, you guys. I live in Jamaica. It gets hot. I wear a lot of wigs. All my wigs are long, so they hot. My neck's sweating and shit. It gets really hot. So this primer does make my makeup stay matte for about an hour, so probably 45 minutes, like matte. And then afterwards my natural oils begin to seep through. Now the thing is though, whenever I pat down my face, it's refreshed. Like, I don't use an oil blotting, I'm sorry with my eyes, but I don't use an oil blotting, I'm doing it again. I don't use an oil blotting sheet as traditionally used. I just use like a piece of hand towel, toilet paper, rag, anything that will absorb my sweat. That's what I use. So this primer is definitely a fave, and with the primer you gotta marry both of them, you know, even though one went on without the other one today. Is their second skin foundation, or their second skin foundation, just like the camouflage foundation, is extremely full coverage. I will say though, the camouflage foundation feels a little bit thicker to me than the second skin. This second skin foundation, love it. Full coverage, you do not need a lot, and I think like my skin is getting better, but I still have a lot of hyperpigmentation, scarring, you know. So I do stand by this foundation because it covers everything. Everything is covered. Alright, so those two. Next, I want to talk about my Fenty Beauty trio. I have a table here of stuff that I use daily, religiously. Don't have anything up here, anything up here. But yeah, this is up here. Anything at all up here. This is up here. Alright, so I have a table of stuff that I use religiously over here, and this is what I'm showing you guys as my favorite makeup products so far. My Fenty Beauty trio, the match sticks and the shimmer sticks are my absolute fave. Again, I ran out of espresso. I should probably order some and send it to Germany so you can carry it down for me. So espresso, cinnamon and suede are what I use to do my highlight, my low light, and my glow, to do my strobing. You guys, if you're still sleeping on Fenty Beauty, I have no idea what you're doing. No, I will say this for all my Jamaicans out there. I'm not bashing anyone's business. I'm just saying. So hard to tell what's real or what's not here in these Jamaican cosmetic streets. It's rough. Man, them clones are getting good, honey. But I purchase my stuff directly from the website, and I use Personate JA to carry my makeup, and anything that I order when I get packages, I no longer use Ship Me. I use Personate JA, so I'll leave her information in the description for you guys, like her number, her email, anything of that nature. They're who I use now. I don't use Ship Me anymore, simply because I get a lot of packages. I get packages every single week, and I cannot cope with the charges that I incur using Ship Me. With Personate JA, it is hella cheaper, and I can go to her and pick up my package, or I can pay and have my package delivered to where I am. I have no problems with that. To me, I'm cutting costs anyway. Take it, even if I have to pay her for deliver it, drive with my gas for go collect it, it is still way cheaper than what I would pay at ship. So with Personate JA, it is cheaper. The most I've ever paid to clear a package of hair is $5,000 Jamaican dollars. That's the most I've ever paid. The most I've ever paid, you know. So when I weigh the pros and the cons, I'm like, where is the con, honey? You know what I mean? And I love Althea. Althea is nice. My powder today, I'm wearing this powder today. This would usually be my low lighting powder, and to me it looks matched, but I don't know, I think it looks a little bit dark. Are my edges out of place? God damn it. I use this today for my powder, all over powder, not just to low light. I use it for my all over powder, and I did not low light today. I just highlighted and I strobed. No, I don't know. It looks a little bit dark to me in the viewfinder, but I guess when I've edited this, you know, and everything comes together, it will look matched. But looking at myself here in the mirror, my neck is still darker, but I just feel like it matches. I don't know, but yeah, definitely. And oh my god, my powders, my buttercup powder from Sasha Cosmetics, their translucent powder, oh, they call it setting powder, Sasha Cosmetics, and their setting powder, their matte face powder, sorry, again from Sasha Cosmetics. All the bomb, honey. What else am I loving? Baby, 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 ooh. Listen, so this is Tikikini, and this part is Mamacita. I don't use Mamacita, honey. I use Tikikini. This duo, let me just read what it is right now. It's called Allen Bling 2-in-1 liquid eye shimmer. Girl, first of all, when I bought these, I literally thought they were lip glosses. I was like, yes, this is some nice sexy lip gloss. Got back to Jamaica and I'm like, oh, okay, this is not what I thought it was. And then I use it here and here only. Tiki Keenan keeps coming through for your girl. Tiki Keenan, yes, yes, Fenty Beauty. And ooh, my long lost friend, Fawn LA Pro Conceal, my long lost friend. I haven't been able to find a good fawn, meaning the fawns that I'm finding, boo-boo, they are darker than this. And I'm like, oh no, Mr. Chinaman, that's not what we doing, honey. That's not what we doing, alright? So I've been a fawn against it. I'm completely over the moon. And one thing that I never thought, two things that I would never think would be a cosmetic or makeup favorite for me. And the first one is this Vanish Vitamin C Beauty Elixir. So I spray this on so I cleanse my face, spray this on, let it melt in, put on my moisturizer, which is my other fave, and this is the TEAMIblends tea infused oil. Put this on, let it do what it do, and while that's on, do my brows. And after finish my brows, then, or before my brows, it doesn't matter, I do this. So these three things are like my base before I put on my foundation. Spray on the Beauty Elixir first from Vanish, then I put on my TEAMI infused tea oil on, that's my moisturizer, and then I put on my Sasha Cosmetics primer. You guys, when I tell you these three are like, Jesus, Lord God, Holy Ghost, man, they're like that's the Trinity right there, honey. I love how it makes my skin look in photos. I don't need to smooth out anything. It just makes my skin look so nice and refreshed. No, and I said I'm going to make another video about it, which I think I have to. My skin has been doing so well. On floor just left. Good riddance, how? Don't nobody want you here. I noticed that I did not break out as much as I used to. Now you guys know I just collected like my whole Vanish stuff, right? I've had it now for almost 3 weeks, and listen, at the time of this recording it would be almost 3 weeks, but no, when you're seeing this video it would be almost 3 weeks, but at the time of this recording I've had it now for 2 weeks. So listen to me, I really when I tell you I stand by the Vanish kits, you guys, I stand by them. Nature's Pure, Belly Spirit. I'm gonna get into that in another video. But yeah, so what else do I have over here? Not much. I'm going to do a separate video on my favorite palettes, just because I've given away a lot and there's a lot that I have not given away. And I'm also going to do a video on my favorite hair companies. I hope you guys would enjoy this, you know, getting a video from me every other day. It's really forcing me to think outside the makeup box, you know. But what I'm really striving to do is, whenever you see a look on my eyes, you know a tutorial is coming up for that. Yeah, and I'm going to be doing some tag videos. Hope you guys are going to like that. And I'm also going to be answering some Instagram videos for you guys as well. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. My beauty faves so far. Yeah, that's it for me, you guys, so far. But anyway, that's it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Mwah. Woo, I'm so sore. I should have gone to the hill this morning and I didn't. I'm so sore. Oh, dang it.